This is Instapod. It's a grip that works with MagSafe phones and cases. It's lightweight and easy to use in both landscape and portrait mode. Want more reach? Instapod extends to over 1/2 metre long for more angles and wider shots. And when you want to go hands-free, just set it down. Instapod sets itself up, so you don't have to. And pack up is just as easy. Setting up your camera is one thing, but actually talking to camera can be really intimidating. Even when you know your subject well, once you press record, it's too easy to forget what you're saying. So we designed a remote control that works with the app to let you communicate your ideas with confidence. Now you can concentrate on your expression instead of your lines. When you have a great idea, it can be really disappointing when your message is lost from bad sound.
I'm here in Port Malanga, South Australia.
So we designed a simple, one-button, wireless microphone. It's a true plug-and-play mic, so you don't have to be a professional to get amazing sounding videos.
I'm here at Port Malanga in South Australia, and out there,
Being able to edit your shots on your phone is so much better because it means you can share your stories straight away. The problem is, editing on your phone can be frustrating and can feel like it takes forever. So we designed an editing app to speed up the process. With Fast Track, instead of wasting your time searching for different editing tools, you can now cut down your shots with one tool that's right there at your thumb tip. Fast Track's a tap and hold editing tool, lets you trim, cut, and even scroll delete anything in your video, all using just one button. And what would normally be a tedious process can now be done instantly with Fast Track's shot control feature. Create zooms with just a double tap. Tap for instant crops. And you can even do subject tracking. Everything you need lives in the kit, and it all packs together, so you only have one thing to remember when you're on the go. After 2 years of prototyping and development, Lumashot is now ready for manufacture. We are really excited to get Lumashot into your hands, so please back our campaign, order yours today, and together, let's make video easy.